I want to show you a demo of real-time audio triggers, but first I'll have to check with my engineering team to see if they'll let me. Today we're going to show you NLUDB's Cloud Parsing API by building a 5-minute demo that looks for important patterns in live speech. We're going to start with a blank web page here. We'll type hello and refresh it just to make sure everything's up and running. All right, and then we're going to add just a few components that help us create this demo. So there's a wonderful JavaScript web speech API that uses your browser to listen to speech and return the text of that speech. We'll just add a little helper component here. It has one callback on data, and whenever we speak, it's going to refresh at a regular rate and show us that data. So there's that widget there. That just takes care of the speech to text. Let's take a look at what that data looks like. So we'll create a little bit of state here with React's useState. And then when we want to show that, we'll wrap that in an AutoMark widget. This is another little helper that will come into play later for a nice visualization. So when we get new data, we'll set the data and let's give it a try. So I'll click Start, have to accept the permissions. This is a test. And now we're going to add NLUDB to this to do some pattern matching against that text as it comes in. So we'll just say import NLUDB from NLUDB/client, and then we'll create a new instance of the NLUDB client down here, const NLUDB equals new, and then we'll pass it in the API key from a environment variable. First, let's just take a look at parsing this text as it comes in. So we'll make this an asynchronous function. We'll ask NLUDB to parse the new data when it comes in. It can parse multiple docs at a time, so we wrap that in a list. And then we'll create a piece of state up here to save the response that we get back from NLUDB. So we'll call that just resp, and then we'll say set resp. And then down here, we'll just add a quick little div right here. We'll say json.stringify resp undefined 2. And this will just give us a visualization of the text as it comes back. So if we switch back over to the browser, and we click Start again, accept the permissions, this is a test. Then we can see here the results of that parsing operation coming back from NLUDB. NLUDB's parser comes preloaded with SpaCy. We support external custom models and also triggers. We use SpaCy's matching framework as a base. Let's say that you wanted to automatically trigger a follow-up request email anytime a salesperson says in a conference call they need to check with the engineering team. Or maybe you're a professor with recorded lectures and you want to automatically trigger an email to yourself to remind you to follow up on a question or problem set after class. One problem is that there are just practically too many combinations of trigger that you would want to alert yourself on. You could check with your product team or ask your sales department. One way to approach this is to find a pattern that seems to describe them all. We use SpaCy's matcher framework for this, which lets us say things like verb team, which then matches all of these combinations. It's a little bit more complicated in the code, but not too much more. So let's take a look. We'll just expand this parse call and add a token matcher. This is one of SpaCy's matcher types. And we pass it a list. We'll give this a label. We'll call it the follow-up request. And now we're going to have to specify patterns that trigger this follow-up request. The first component of the pattern is a verb. So the part of speech here is verb. Talk to the marketing department. So we'll just leave a dot, then we'll leave an optional dot, and then the final part is team. And we'll give it a couple of options, team, group, and department. And lemma here, you can think of this as a linguistic term that means the root of the word. If you've never seen SpaCy matchers, I know that can look a little confusing. So let's just add examples here. So this first part of the pattern is talk or ask. The second part of the pattern covers things like to my or my, talk to my, ask my. This third part here would be engineering, marketing, some other part of the team. It's a wild card. It's a completely empty match block. And then the final part matches words like team. Before we do anything else, let's just run this again, but we'll just show the results of this pattern matcher. So in the return docs back from NLUDB's parser, we get this list of spans, and that will include any matchers that we sent when we requested the parse. So we'll go back over to the web page, and we'll rerun this. We'll accept the permissions. I want to ask my engineering team about that. And we see here the list of spans that we got back, which have matched, because of that pattern, this specific phrase, ask my engineering team. That list of spans is what enables your callback. You could use it to trigger an email, to call an API. We'll just stash it in some state up here. So const matches, set matches, and we'll use the React useState hook. And then down here, where we get that, we'll just reinitialize matches. And then we'll loop over the spans. So for let's span of spans, and we'll grab the line below. And then we'll just add the text and the label to each of these spans. So we'll say matches, and we'll store the text as the key, and then the label as the value. And the only reason we're doing that is because this AutoMark object will highlight phrases if we pass it such an object. So, oops, we also have to save it up here. So set matches, matches. All right, and then if we go back to the website, this should show us a nice visualization. So we can click Start, accept the permissions. I think we can support that feature, but first I should check with the engineering team. I can definitely ask the marketing department if they have a packet I can send you over with more information in it, though. So there you go, a fun little demo of how to use NLUDB along with JavaScript and the Web Speech API to create a real-time voice transcription system that triggers you when certain phrases are said. If your product team wants to become more productive with NLP in production, reach out at nludb.com. We're in a private beta right now and would love to talk to you. Thanks.